So of course we're gonna start with the onion, but to get the most out of this little sucker, we're gonna grate them, and this frees up the juice. And this is what we want for sure, especially in the marinade and also in the sauce. And guys and girls, be careful when you're grating anything. I mean, those things are very, very sharp and could definitely damage your fingers. Oh. All right, and now we add our fresh ginger. Fresh ginger makes a huge difference. If you can get fresh ginger, I would definitely suggest you do. I can remember this as a kid. My mom and my dad and my grandmother, everything we cooked had fresh ginger. It's just kind of a Jamaican thing, you know? But I'm also seeing a lot of cultures using ginger. All right, so we have 3 Holland peppers that we're going to slice up nicely and dice. And these peppers are not that hot, so you do not have to worry about separating the seeds or anything. You can also just add them out to the marinade. All right, and now we have our 1 habanero / Scotch bonnet pepper, another staple in my culture in Jamaica where I'm from. We cook everything, I mean everything, with a Scotch bonnet pepper. And again, you do not have to separate the seeds because they're not that hot. All right, our green onion time right now. So let's dice up our green onions. Let's always be slow when we're cooking, cutting things. It's dangerous. And plus, we also know, guess what? It's therapeutic time. Guys, I cook when there's a lot of things going on in my life. So I use it as therapeutic time. I never try to rush. I like to marinate everything, give it time. You know, have them all get defrosted or just get fresh ingredients. Right, now we have our garlic. That's another staple. So we'll dice these up real nicely to add a lot more flavor to our marinade and sauce. And you know, if you guys have any suggestion of what I should cook next or anything, please definitely write it in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, we're gonna just add everything in right now in a little pot. I didn't have any other pots, so I just used this cast iron to marinate everything in. I'm in love with cast irons. They're the best things. All right, so we're gonna have a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt, and also some brown sugar, and about 2 teaspoons of lime. We're gonna go ahead here with our sesame seed oil, which gives a ton of flavor. Definitely, if you don't have this in your kitchen, you can get it. And then we top it off with the olive oil. So we like to stir this up really, really nice so everything gets really mixed up easily, especially the brown sugar and the oil with the onions. You can see everything just kind of even just turn turn it into mush. That's what we want. That's what the flavor is. All right, and look, we have the star of the show, beef short ribs. Okay, so we're gonna put our beef short ribs into the marinade. We wanna make sure we get everything, all of it, everything nice and covered with all of the spices and also the vegetables. And I would say a good 1 or 2 hours, but if you don't have time, I'd say at least 30 minutes just to get everything situated and soaked into the meat. All right, we also have our beef bone marrow. Bone marrow is my absolute favorite. It's fun to cook. It's got a unique taste, and it also makes the best steak sauce on top of the steak. I usually just put a pinch of salt as far as the meat is. Now we have the good rib tips. I also have short ribs. Continue there that has wood chips that were soaked in reason for that, and that's what makes the smoke flavor, and also the body short ribs is being smoked. See here, we're basting the short ribs with sauce. Everything nice and hydrated. And we also need to have everything at an internal temperature of at least 140 to be able to. And look at that beautiful pink. Beautiful. Just perfect. And definitely after you take the short ribs off of the grill, 100% let that sit for at least 20 minutes covered so the juices kind of stays inside. You see the leftover sauce that we said we had to leave over. We have the bone marrow included there. We have all the vegetables, the peppers, and also we added some panko breadcrumbs and also some Parmesan cheese. So just lather everything over, and yeah. Now look at it. That is the finished product. Look at God. Look at God, guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the